How to put Ask Me a Question on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to engage with your followers by putting in Ask Me a Question on your story? Then you are in the right place. Today I'm going to teach you in just a few simple steps. So, first things first, open up your Instagram app and go to add your story option. Tap on the plus icon and then choose a story that you want to post. So once you've done that, you will see various icons on the top. Tap on the third icon, and here you'll see list of options that you can add to your story. Tap on questions, and now Ask Me a Question will appear. You can type something, you can type any question that you like, and then viewers can send you a response after you post this story. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.